move to the module functionality. So if we go to clinic module, there are different menus as we can see, named as appointments, patients, prescriptions, laboratories, invoices, and so on. We first move to the configuration and let's see what the configuration is actually of. So the very first is diseases. Here you can actually add all the diseases, edit and delete them. Each of the disease is then associated with a code. So here it follows a code, and you can of course group them into disease categories as well. There's additional tab named genetics, in which you can add extra information related to the disease, and any other notes that you want to add, that can be done as well. So this is basically related to diseases. We then move to lab testing units. There are different lab testing units as we can see. If you want, you can of course add, edit and delete. Any type of new lab test you want, you can go and give that information right here. The new type of lab test also includes extra information. Along with it, you can give the main information, which includes what details you want to add. Medical procedures are there as well. You can include each of the medical procedure with a code. Now management of your health center is again, we can say, an important point to look into. So you can add your health center, give information about your health center. So if we just check here, right, the medical tab, so there are different kinds of details which we can see here, and this particular record belongs to of type institution. Each institution is, it's not necessary, it may be small, it may be vast. So to handle each institution, you can then divide it into kind of buildings and associate each building to that institution. Then this goes further on. So sub-management of then buildings include units. So there are different health center units as well. Then you have health center wards, which goes on by following the beds. So health center beds is there as well. Operational areas. So you can give details about the operational areas, and then each operational area will also have an operational sector and give the extra information. Now physicians, which all physicians are there into your institution, you can go and then create the data entry for that physician as well. The specialty of that physician, which institution that physician belongs to, can be added and given a unique ID. Any extra information against the physician can be added too. You have medicaments list. So here is a list of medicaments you think that you need. You can of course add, edit and delete them as well. Each of the medicament can be associated with a category too. Then medicaments follows by medicament dose units. So these are some of them listed. Give a description, give the unit, and you can add them. You also have is medicament administration routes. So here what kind of route that medicament needs to be taken into, like whether it needs to be applied externally. Some of them are pre-configured, and of course then you can go and add them more. So we have medicament forms. So here there are different forms, whether it's a type of capsule, whether it's a biscuit, whether it's a cream, drops, and so on. We have the category structure. You can give a parent category and give a category name if you need to. Then here are insurance company records. If you want to maintain in your case, you can go and add them. Any insurance details, so you can just go and link the insurance and the insurance company. Specialities that we have seen in the physicians, so you can go and then add more specialities that you need then to associate with the physicians. There are different occupations. So here are a list of occupations. You can give ethnic groups, whether is it the patient is Asian or something like that. That data can be added as well. So this was particularly, and here's a list of recreational